Good morning, students. Today I am going to take volume strength of hydrogen peroxide topic. Hydrogen peroxide is commercially represented in terms of volume strength. Hydrogen peroxide is commercially represented in terms of volume strength. Volume strength is defined as a volume of oxygen gas liberated at STP from unit volume of hydrogen peroxide. அதாவது வால்யூம் ஸ்ட்ரென்த்துனா யூனிட் வால்யூம் ஹைட்ரஜன் பெராக்சைட்லேருந்து how much volume of oxygen gas liberated. இதுதான் volume strength. Once again, volume strength is defined as a volume of oxygen gas liberated as STP from unit volume of hydrogen peroxide. 100 volume of hydrogen peroxide means that 1 liter of hydrogen peroxide solution will give 100 liters of oxygen gas at STP. 100 volume of hydrogen peroxide na 1 liter of hydrogen peroxide solution will give 100 liters of oxygen gas at STP. Hydrogen peroxide decomposed into H2O plus oxygen. Equation 2H2O2 gives 2H2O plus O2. According to the equation, 2 moles of hydrogen peroxide give 1 mole of oxygen. Okay, 2 into molar mass of hydrogen peroxide, atomic mass of hydrogen 1, so 2 into 1, oxygen atomic mass 16, 16 into 2. Okay, so molar mass of hydrogen peroxide is 2 plus 32, so totally 68 grams of hydrogen peroxide give 1 mole of oxygen. 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liter. So 22.4 liter of oxygen will obtain from 68 gram of hydrogen peroxide. அதாவது 22.4 liter of oxygen gas வந்து 68 gram of hydrogen peroxide வந்து கிடைக்குது. Therefore 100 liters of oxygen will obtain from 68 into 100 divided by 22.4, that is equal to 303.6 gram. That is 100 liter of oxygen will obtain from 303.6 gram of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, so strength of hydrogen peroxide is 303.6 gram per liter. That is 1 liter of hydrogen peroxide solution contain 300.3 gram of hydrogen peroxide. So strength of hydrogen peroxide is 303.6 per liter. Percentage strength means 1 liter, that is 1000 ml of hydrogen peroxide solution contain 303.6 gram of hydrogen peroxide. Percentage means into 100, that is 100 ml of hydrogen peroxide solution contain 30.36. Okay, this is a percentage strength. Percentage strength means 1000 ml contains 303.6 gram of hydrogen peroxide. Percentage strength means into 100, that is equal to 30.36%. That means 100 ml of hydrogen peroxide solution contain 30.36 gram of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, clear? Next, normality of hydrogen peroxide. We know normality formula: strength of the hydrogen peroxide by equivalent mass of hydrogen peroxide, or percentage strength into 10 by equivalent mass of hydrogen peroxide. Percentage strength is 30.36 into 10 by equivalent mass 17. So we get 17.86 normality. Okay. So molarity of hydrogen peroxide is normality by 2, that is 17.86 by 2. We get 8.93. This is the molarity of hydrogen peroxide solution. Next, volume strength and normality relation. Volume strength is equal to 5.6 into normality. It's a very important formula. We know normality equal to percentage strength divided by equivalent weight of the hydrogen peroxide into 10. Okay, normality means. Okay, 1 normal hydrogen peroxide means 1 gram equivalent of hydrogen peroxide present in 1000 ml. 1 gram equivalent. What is the equivalent mass of hydrogen peroxide? 17. So, 17 gram of hydrogen peroxide present in 1000 ml. 1 normal hydrogen peroxide means 1 gram equivalent present in 1000 ml or 17 gram of hydrogen peroxide present in 1000 ml. According to the equation we already know, 68 gram of hydrogen peroxide gives 22,400 ml, that is 22.4 liter or 22,400 ml of oxygen. So 17 gram of hydrogen peroxide gives 22,400 into 17 by 68, that's equal to 5,600 ml. So 17 gram of hydrogen peroxide gives 5,600 ml. So volume strength is equal to volume of oxygen gas liberated, that is 5,600 ml, okay, from unit volume of hydrogen peroxide solution. What is the unit volume? 1 liter, that is 1000 ml. அதாவது 1000 ml இருந்து 5600 ml of oxygen gas is liberated. So volume strength is equal to 5600 by 1000, that's equal to 5.6. Volume strength and molarity relation. Volume strength is equal to 11.2 into molarity. We know 1 molar solution, 1 m hydrogen peroxide means 1 mole of hydrogen peroxide. That is molar mass 34 gram of hydrogen peroxide present in 1 liter, that is 1000 ml of the solution. 1 molar means 34 gram of hydrogen peroxide present in 1000 ml. We know 68 gram of hydrogen peroxide gives 22,400 ml. We தெரியும். அப்படினா 34 grams of hydrogen peroxide gives 22,400 into 34 by 68, that is equal to 11,200 ml. That is, this much ml of oxygen gas liberated from 34 gram of hydrogen peroxide. Okay. So volume strength is equal to volume of oxygen gas liberated, that is 11,200 per unit volume of hydrogen peroxide solution. From unit volume, okay, hydrogen peroxide, that's equal to what is the unit volume? Per liter, that is 1000 ml. So 11,200 by 1000, we get 11.2 is the volume strength in, okay. So if the volume strength molarity relation is volume strength is equal to 11.2 into molarity. Normality relation, volume strength is equal to 5.6 into normality. Suppose, what is the volume strength of 2 molar hydrogen peroxide solution? What is volume strength? Volume strength is equal to 11.2 into 2 molar into 2, that is 22.4. Okay. Next. First question, I will discuss. 100 volume of hydrogen peroxide solution mean 17.86 normal, 30.36 percentage of hydrogen peroxide, C 8.93 m, all are correct. What is the meaning of 100 volume of hydrogen peroxide? That is 1 liter of hydrogen peroxide solution will give 100 liters of oxygen. Okay. For this, what is the normality? I already discussed. Normality is equal to 17.86 for this solution. Percentage 30.36 percentage. Okay, that's the percentage then. Molarity 8.93. So all are correct. Option D. Second, the volume strength of 1 molar solution of hydrogen peroxide. Volume strength relation, molarity relation, volume strength is equal to 11.2 into molarity. For 1 molar solution, volume strength is equal to 11.2 into 1, that's equal to 11.2. So 4 options given, 11.2, 22.4, 5.6, 56. So option A. Next question. Calculate the strength in gram per liter and normality of 30 volume of hydrogen peroxide solution. 30 volume hydrogen peroxide solution what is the strength and normality? 30 volume of hydrogen peroxide solution means that means 1 liter of hydrogen peroxide solution will give 30 liters of oxygen gas at STP. Seriya? 30 volume of hydrogen peroxide na 1 liter of hydrogen peroxide solution will give 30 liters of oxygen gas at STP. We already know the equation. 2H2O gives 2H2O2 gives 2H2O plus O2. Okay, according to the equation, 68 grams of hydrogen peroxide will give 1 mole, that is 22.4 liter of oxygen. Okay, so 22.4 liters of oxygen will obtain from 68 gram of hydrogen peroxide. So 30 volume, the question is 30 volume. So 30 volume of oxygen will obtain from 68 into 30 by 22.4. Simplifying, we get 91.07 gram. So 30 volume hydrogen peroxide means that is 1 liter of hydrogen peroxide solution will give 30 liters of oxygen gas at the STP. So 30 liter of oxygen will obtained from how much? 91.07 gram. Hence, strength of the given solution is, that is 1 liter solution contain 1 liter of hydrogen peroxide solution contain 91.07. So strength is 91.07 gram per liter. What is the normality? Normality is strength of the hydrogen peroxide solution divided by the equivalent mass, or strength percentage into 10 by equivalent mass. So strength is 91.07 divided by equivalent weight 17. So we get 5.36 N normal. This is a normality. Second problem. Calculate the volume strength of hydrogen peroxide solution containing 60.7 gram per liter of hydrogen peroxide. What is the volume strength of hydrogen peroxide solution? Contain 60.7 gram per liter of hydrogen peroxide. We know the relation, equation. 2H2O2 gives 2H2O plus O2. According to the equation, 68 grams of hydrogen peroxide gives 22.4 liters. Okay, 68 grams of 68 grams of hydrogen peroxide will give oxygen gas at STP how much? 22.4 liters. So 60.7 gram of hydrogen peroxide, 60.7 gram, will give 22.4 into 60.7 by 68. Simplifying, we get 19.998 liter. That is, we know 68 grams of hydrogen peroxide will give 22.4 liter of oxygen. 60.7 gram of hydrogen peroxide will give 19.9898 liters of oxygen. That's approximately 20 liter. So volume strength is, that is, volume of oxygen gas liberated 20 liter divided by unit volume. That is, this much 20 liter of oxygen liberated from 1 liter of 1 liter of hydrogen peroxide solution. So volume strength is 20 by 120. Okay, thank you.